Sarah woke up feeling a bit under the weather. Her tummy ached and she felt hot and sweaty. She knew she wouldn't be able to go to school today. "Mommy, I don't feel well," she called out weakly. Her mom came rushing into her room and felt her forehead. "Oh dear, you have a fever," she said. "Let's stay in bed today and I'll call the doctor." The doctor came to their house and examined Sarah. "It looks like you have a cold," he said. "Don't worry, it's nothing serious. I'll prescribe some medicine to make you feel better." Sarah's mom gave her the medicine and made her some warm soup. She spent the rest of the day in bed, reading her favorite book and resting. By the next day, Sarah was feeling much better. Her fever was gone, and her tummy ache had disappeared. She was happy to go back to school and see her friends and teacher again.
Hi, how are you today?
"Hi." "Not too bad."
Oh no, are you feeling okay?
"Not really. I've had a headache all morning."
Maybe it's a good idea to see the doctor then.
"Yes, I got an appointment at the city hospital for 2 p.m.
Okay, well, good luck. I hope you feel better soon.